Hi, this is a review of a program called the Super Affiliate System, which is taught by John Crestani. The program is intended for new marketers, although anyone who's not yet been successful might find some very helpful information also. He does show you how to create engaging ads, a skill that anyone who's ever done any marketing at all knows you have to have, as well as providing you with some working ads. He even gives you some free ad credits. Also, he provides downloadable pre-sale pages, as well as click and clone funnel templates, all very helpful when you're just starting out or not yet successful in doing affiliate marketing. You are not going to need any programming knowledge, so if you're technically challenged, like many people are, this is the program for you, or at least may be the program for you. He guides students to the best converting products, as well as the best affiliate networks. And he's very helpful with regard to high-ticket affiliate offers. In the program, you're going to learn some core skills. Among them are copywriting, data analysis and research. And you need those skills, at least you need to get familiar with them if you intend to be successful in marketing on the internet. He's also teaching people about having the proper mindset. Again, when you are marketing on the internet, you do have to have a certain mindset, and his including that in the program can make all the difference to your future success. And teaches you about strong engagement, something else that is absolutely necessary if you intend to be even a little successful on the internet with regard to marketing. So I would recommend that if you are interested in this program, you go to the link below and click on it. You will then be shown a page which will tell you a little more about the program. And again, click the link below, and also following is some information from people who have taken the program. Thank you for listening, and have a great day.
I'm 15, and within one day I made my first commission.
And it's been a year since I haven't worked a 9 to 5, and I've been making pretty good money now.
I am a single mom in Tucson, Arizona, and have been struggling to pay my bills, and now I have an internet business, and I'm so excited.
I'm freaking excited today. I got my first sale.
John Crestani, you've been featured in Forbes magazine.
And the best thing is you can work from anywhere, no matter where you travel.
I've really worked hard to create in my educational programs, creating a clear plan that people can follow, that's proven and can help them become successful and start making their first commissions online and learn business skills.
I love it because a lot of people do not know where to start.